You can detox and cleanse your body thoroughly by eating sattvic, the most nutritious food during Navratri fasting. People in Hinduism believe on live and let live principle. So they don't want to harm any animal. Therefore, during all the festivals, vegetarianism is observed. Eating sattvic food means the foods that help in keeping you calm and peaceful, so that with relaxed mind you can devote to the God much better and not be excited or stressed with anger or any negative emotion. Traditionally, onion and garlic are also omitted or avoided from fasting diet because of their astringent factor. Lots of devotees, sadhus, sannyasis and traditional people don't consume them at all. So you should eat healthy food which also detoxifies your body, such as fruits, as many as you like. For example, apple, custard apple, pineapple, avocado, berries, pears, oranges, mosambi, papaya, pomegranate, guava, grapes, watermelon, muskmelon, figs and so on. You can also drink fruit juices, smoothies, milkshakes, lassi, coconut water, coconut milk, almond milk and home prepared sherbets and so on. Vegetables, yes, some of the vegetables also can be eaten, such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, tapioca, manioc, from which they make sago, so after boiling or steaming, while carrots, beetroot as juice or salad. Vegetables are also eaten in Navratri fasting. Nuts are very healthy food again. Navratri fasting, they keep your energy levels high and also keep you full during the whole day. They provide wide range of nutrients which are not there in our regular food. For example, vitamin E from almonds, iron from dates, essential fatty acids from walnuts, fiber from figs and so on. You can consume almonds, cashews, pistachios, walnuts, dates, berries, raisins, roasted makhanas and so on. There are about 50 dry fruits available in the market in India. Roasted dry fruits also could be added to your milkshakes or fruit salads, as they too are very amazing foods to consume during Navratri fasting. Cereals. There are some special cereals to be eaten during fasting like kuttu, rajgira, singhara, sama and so on. Mostly they are eaten during fasting because of their high value of protein. Nowadays, people prepare lots of recipes such as pulao, upma, dosa, idli, chapati, puri, vada, bhajia, cutlets, kheer, halwa and so many other dishes using these millets. Nowadays, there's a lot of variety. Now, there are some foods to be avoided during Navratri fast. Avoid deep fried snacks or sugar-loaded sweets. These food items may only add your belly fat but provide no health benefits. Avoid overeating. Even if you are consuming Vrat or fasting food items, avoid overeating. Instead, break your meals into small portions and consume them 5 to 6 times a day. This way, you will keep nourishing your body and prevent the feeling of heaviness. Avoid packaged foods like fried chips, namkeen, especially which are made for this purpose of Vrat and are loaded with salt or sodium and unhealthy refined oil. These food items are usually prepared using cheap oil, which can even make you sick. You have to stay hydrated while you are fasting. Keeping yourself hydrated is of utmost importance. While you cut down on food, you must ensure that you don't cut down on water or liquid or dehydrate yourself. Always keep a bottle of water with yourself and keep sipping from time to time. You can also drink buttermilk and coconut water to replenish yourself. Have a good 7 to 8 hours sleep. While you are fasting, your body goes under detox mode. In such a scenario, if you do not get good hours of sleep, you will most likely feel dizzy or experience throbbing headaches. In order to prevent this, rest well and catch at 7 to 8 hours of sleep on a daily basis during Navratri. Some precautions to be taken during fasting. Go easy on yourself. If you have recently recovered from any illness or are currently going through a health issue, or if you are suffering from an incurable disease or are taking some prolonged treatment for a disease, it is best to avoid fasting. Pregnant women, lactating mothers, and diabetic patients should not fast. Fasting should not exceed your physical strength. Similarly, keep drinking water and consume healthy Vrat items at regular intervals. Avoid doing strict fast like without food or water, because you know that your body cannot take it. You can simply offer your prayers to the goddess in such conditions. Wish you a happy but healthy fasting. Wish you a happy Navratri.